Okay, so we got the house hooked up. We made it work. We got the big neutral lug there. The ground lug had to come in from the side, had to switch them. And then make that huge wire fit that 50 amp breaker there. So okay. Moment of truth. We got that big wire all the way pulled. That was a process. Should have brought that light. Turn this on. All right, we got everything off. Okay, and then pump. We'll just turn them all on here. Pump alarm. Let's check a couple of those outlets. Yeah, baby. Yeah, we're gonna have to cover that one up too. We didn't say that was hot. Hear that septic pump thing. Yeah, it's beeping. Okay. Okay, so that's what we're hearing. Cool. auto, yeah. Those are both on. Yeah, we're operational now. That's huge. Make sure it's not beeping anymore. I think we're good. Yeah. Okay. So I gotta cover up some of the other ones that were hot. Let's see what else we got. Oh, so good. Yeah, sweet. So yeah, we're live. Moment of truth on this guy here. So good. Yeah, I'm gonna unplug it. I don't have water going to it turned on yet, but it works. That's great. Gotta pressure test this guy. So yeah, we're getting there. We got power now. That's sweet. Gotta put more circuits in. Get all these things hooked up, but yeah. So yeah, we're hot on that bar. The homemade jumper there for 120 on both sides. Cool.